Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and today let's make some lovely wine from some grape juice. तो चलिए देखते हैं इसमें हमें किन किन चीज़ों की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी। ग्रेप जूस मैंने रियल का यूज़ किया है, आप कोई भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं। 1 cup of strong black tea to add tannins which are naturally found in grapes. 1 bowl of sugar roughly about 200 grams. 1 tablespoon of yeast. 1 tablespoon of edible glycerin. And 1 glass jar for fermenting the wine. चलिए अब देखते हैं वाइन कैसे बनाते हैं. We will take 3 tea bags and we will steep them in boiling water for about 20 minutes. This will lead to a really strong black tea. और ये इसी की ज़रूरत हमें है because it is very rich in tannins which are naturally found in grapes but are absent from the grape juice. Till the time our tea is getting cold, we will add sugar and juice to this jar. My jar has a capacity of about 4 liters, so I will be using 3.5 liters of juice and the rest of the volume will be occupied by sugar and tea. Now it's more than 20 minutes and our tea has cooled down to room temperature, so we'll add it to the jar. Now we'll add a tablespoon of yeast to it to aid the fermentation. Add a tablespoon of glycerin to the solution to have a more full-bodied feel to the wine. Now we'll stir the contents of the container very well so that everything mixes nicely and the sugars get dissolved. Cover the jar with a breathable cloth so that the gases that are formed during the fermentation get released easily. To prevent any foreign objects or insects or pests from getting inside the container, we'll put a rubber band around its neck. We will stir the contents of the jar every 2 days and siphon the wine after 2 weeks. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel. Cheers!